Hi there. Happy Friday. Thank you so much for watching Great Day Colorado. I'm Denise Plant.
And I'm Karen Rosnick, in for Jeff Schroeder.
Yes, get ready to conquer the mountain in Vail. It's happening this weekend. Vail is full of adventure, sports, art, and music for all of the annual GoPro Mountain Games.
And travel journalist and meteorologist Jennifer Broom joins us from Vail with festival details and other fun things to do in the Vail Valley. Hi, Jen. How's it going out there?
Good morning, and I'm going to step out of the way and just let you guys take in the view, guys, from the penthouse at Sitzmark Vail. It's one of the boutique hotels in the Vail Village. I mean, what a spot to be, right?
Gorgeous.
Well, for those of us who haven't been to the GoPro Mountain Games, what can you expect?
You know, I put this on my calendar every year because I love it so much, because it's the intersection of sports, and then you also have music, and then you have vendors all over Vail Village and also Lions Head Village, and they're just everywhere. So it's kind of this fun, a lot of it is free as well. And I love the GoPro Mountain Games because Vail Valley Foundation puts it on. So it is a nonprofit that puts it on. And there's so many fun things to do. First of all, you've got all kinds of, different activities going on as far as the competitions. There are over 35 competitions, ranging from the kayaking to the climbing the mountain, different challenges going on. And of course, the dogs. There's a whole area here dedicated just to the dogs, but it's a lot of fun. And here's the thing, it's free to watch all of these competitions happen. And there are, Olympic level athletes competing to the weekend warriors like me that, just want to go and maybe enjoy a little yoga. They have a whole kind of Zen zone. This is one of my favorites. It's the trick line, and it always draws a crowd right here in Vail Village. It's so cool to watch these athletes. And they'll even do it, guys, over Gore Creek with kayakers going below. So something super cool there.
That's crazy. Is there a competition that's debuting new this year, Jen?
Oh, I am so excited. I cannot wait to get over to watch over at Gold Peak. It is the speed climbing. And there are Olympic level athletes that are doing this. USA Climbing sent this to me just so I could watch it. I got to share it with you. Look how fast. I mean, we're talking seconds, 5 to 8 seconds going up that wall. So this is a big one. And again, there are 35 different competitions and 11 different disciplines. But this one is definitely going to be a highlight. So they're doing some qualifying rounds today. And guys, I do want to give you the secret time to come up here, because it's super easy from the Front Range to obviously come up for Vail for the day. But Sunday is the prime time if you want to catch some of the final events. And also, just so you know, all the vendors that are scattered around town, there's so many of them have giveaways where they're giving away samples. So bring some sort of backpack with you so you can fill it up with all sorts of goodies.
That looks so cool. So Dogtown is a favorite for fans. What is that like?
This is absolutely one of the areas that you will find me multiple times. It is called Dogtown, and it is so much fun to watch dogs go head to head in competition, ranging from, they're going for the big air competitions. You're jumping into water after their different toys. But there is also something new over in Dogtown this year. It's the Purina Pro Plan Incredible Dog Challenge experience. So you'll see some elite canine athletes compete, but then guys, regular people and their dogs can also try some of the different events and experiences as well. So super cool over in Dogtown.
There's so many other things to do in Vail beyond GoPro Mountain Games. What are some of your favorite things to do, Jen?
Well, I am always a fan of anything that is free. So I do want to share a couple of things that I absolutely love to do in the Vail Valley. Starting with simply take a walk along Gore Creek. It is absolutely spectacular to walk along the creek. You'll also likely see some people that are fly fishing in the creek, just really enjoying it. Of course, this weekend, you're going to see all kinds of kayakers going through that creek as well. There you're looking at one of the covered bridges. You can really just see how beautiful and how green the creek is. So in addition to that, I also love the Betty Ford Alpine Gardens at over 8,200 feet. It is the highest garden in North America dedicated to alpine plant species. It's also the highest garden in the United States. So just a really cool thing. It is free to do that. I also really enjoy hiking up on Vail Mountain and then taking a little bit of a drive to Piney River Ranch, a great spot for a lunch, guys. It's also a great hike there. One of my favorites in this area, which is the the Piney Creek Falls. So there you go. Free things to do in the Vail Valley. Come on up. We'll see you this weekend. GoPro Mountain Games going on through Sunday.
I'm going.
That looks amazing.
Awesome.
Beautiful. All
Awesome.
right.
We'll see you here.
Thank you. Well, for more information, just go to Jennifer's website at sweptawaytoday.com. And thank you, Jen, for coming on GDC.